M5328. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Princess Carden Ordanes, 30 years old of age, and I'm single. I'm Roman Catholic and from Mexico, Pampanga, Philippines. And I'm school graduate.
Okay. I saw that you have experience being a helper in Malaysia since 2019 to 2021. As a helper in Malaysia, what are your main duties?
My main duties is tutoring the children, tutoring homework, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, gardening, and car wash.
How many car do you car wash?
Two.
Okay. I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but
Yes.
it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, of course.
Okay. How do you prepare a milk for a baby if you have an idea?
First, I wash my hand and wash the bottle, sterilize the bottle, and put a right amount the milk and water. And after, I shake a little bit and I check the temperature before I give it to the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the diaper if full and feeding the baby and check the temperature.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper and also feed the baby if the baby is hungry and also check his temperature or her temperature but doesn't stop to cry, what will you do?
I call my mom and sir to
To inform them.
to inform
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the Hong Kong is I think it is a safe place and higher salary.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long my employer you want me to stay, I can.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a Chinese food?
Yes.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Like stewed chicken, like a steamed pork, boiled vegetable like this and actually like noodles, fried noodles or something fried rice.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepare.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share jobs with the helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
If your employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay with you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. It is okay to you to take care of pets.
No problem.
How about taking care of an elderly?
Yes.
Help them go to bed, go to the bathroom, and also go to hospital for checkup. It is okay with you?
Okay.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
I can learn
Okay,
know
you.
how to I
It is okay with you. Yes. Okay. Last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
to my future employer, please hire me because I'm honest and hardworking. I'm obedient, diligent, and patient. And I will always respect your rules and your family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, M5328, Miss Princess.